Hey, boss, something's happening in the aquarium. The water's all swirling around.
Well, go check it out already, jeez.
Ah! Hey! There's something in my eye! Ah!
What?
Ah, got you both. Now freeze. Nice work, partner.
He's fine and he's Finn. He's a gumshoe with gills. He's Detective Guppy, fish on patrol. A pet fed up with crime and determined to do something about it. Detective Guppy, he's a big fish in a small pond brimming with action.
Don Cornpone spends a lot of time at his goldfish fountain. You're gonna go in undercover, got it? Wait, maybe you should wear a wire. Here. Okay, maybe not.
And when the lights go down, his ocean is full of motion.
Give it to me, Guppy. Give me the kind of loving only a cold, wet fish can.
Detective Guppy, fish on patrol. Starring Conrad, the aluminum wonder smelt as Guppy, and Denzel Washington as that funky sidekick. Catch the gupper all this fall.